Hello, welcome to Theodorah Farms. I am Theodorah, and in this channel I talk about balcony gardening, urban farming and therapeutic gardening. Here I talk about how you can grow food in small spaces wherever you are, and I also talk about how gardening is an important aspect of life that offers healing physically and mentally. So today I will be talking about planning your space for a balcony gardening. Creating a balcony garden or an apartment balcony garden requires thoughtful planning to ensure that you make the most of the limited space that you have. That will cater for the needs of your plants, but also meet your taste as an individual. I will be talking about 7 key considerations to keep in mind while planning your balcony garden. The first one is assess your space. This comes with measuring your balcony dimensions, including the length, width, and height. This will help you determine how much space you need to work with. It also comes with considering the layout of your balcony. How would you want your balcony to look like? Identify areas that receive light, shade, or are sheltered from wind. This will influence your plant placement. The second one is light availability. And in this area, we talk about the sun exposure. Observe how sunlight moves across your balcony throughout the day. Most vegetables require at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. So knowing where the sun hits will guide your plant selections. Shade considerations is also important. Look out for which areas in your balcony are shaded. And in this area, you select or choose the shade-tolerant vegetables or herbs for this specific area. The third one, the weight restrictions. Consider the load-bearing capacity. Check your balcony's weight limitations. How much weight can your balcony carry? The combined weight of containers, soil, and plants can quickly add out. Therefore, opt for lightweight containers and soil mixtures. The fourth one is accessibility. This comes in 2 forms: for maintenance and easy movement. For easy movement, arrange your furniture and plant containers in a way that allows for comfortable movement without overcrowding the space. And for ease of maintenance, plan your garden layout to ensure that you can easily access all the plants for watering, harvesting, and care. And in this area, you could also think about vertical gardening options if your space is limited. Number 5, container selection. In this area, consider 2 factors: the type of containers that you will use and drainage. Choose containers that suit your plants. They could be pots, hanging baskets, or vertical planters. The kind of containers you choose also greatly affect your plant yield and growth. Choose containers that are well draining, that will not be overlogged and cause diseases, or those that easily dry out, that will affect the plant growth and yield. Sixth one is the microclimates. Be vigilant about temperature variations. Recognize the different areas of your balcony that may have varying temperatures, and with this knowledge, position plants according to their temperature preferences. Also, if your balcony is in an area that experiences strong winds, consider using barriers or placing taller plants to shade more delicate ones. Number 7, water access. Ensure your plants have access to water. To simplify the watering process, you can plan for a small watering can or an irrigation system. Water is a very important aspect of balcony gardening. Your taste considerations. Here we talk about your design and style. Think about how you want your balcony to look like and create that happy place for you, an inviting atmosphere. And in this area, you can think about incorporating colors, textures, and any other decorative materials that you'd like to put in your garden. The ninth one, local regulations. Check guidelines. Check and be aware of any local regulations or homeowner association rules regarding balcony gardening. This may include restrictions on the type of plants, container sizes, or structural modifications. By carefully considering these factors, you can create a well-planned balcony garden that thrives and enhances your outdoor living space. So thank you for joining me today on Theodorah Farms, where we have talked about planning your space for a balcony garden. I hope to see you next week.